Honey, you're here. I have been looking for you for an hour. We need to talk.
Hello, honey. I am here. I have been buying some clothes in this store. Look at this purse. It's amazing, isn't it? I will buy it. What do you think?
What? This purse? But you have many purses in the house. Last week you bought a new one.
Yeah, so what? I need it. I don't have a purse like that. It's perfect.
I don't understand why. I mean, you have a purse. You put all your stuff there. You don't need more. I think it's not necessary to buy so many purses. Can we go home, please? We need to talk.
You don't understand. I like it. It's trendy and beautiful. Only women understand it.
Yeah, whatever. Just let's go home. We need to talk about something important.
What do you want to tell me? You can tell me that here. Meanwhile, I will see more clothes. I think I saw a beautiful jacket over there. Come with me. I will show it to you.
No, babe, I'm tired. We have been walking for hours at the mall. I'm tired.
But I need to buy that jacket. You know, I only have 7 jackets, and I need an orange one for the summer.
I think you have a problem. You can't shop every day. I mean, you're always buying things.
What are you talking about? I don't buy every day. I just buy the things I need. That's all.
No, yesterday you bought those glasses, but you have many glasses at home. And it was not cheap. You spent like $100 just on those glasses. And you have sunglasses. Why do you need to buy those? You're spending too much money.
These glasses are different. These are modern ones. Everyone wants these.
I suppose. I suppose everyone wants those sunglasses, but not everyone can buy them. I mean, we're not rich people, you know? We need to save money to buy our own house.
Again with that? We're fine. We will buy a house someday. I promise.
No, that's not gonna happen if you keep buying everything you see on internet or the shops.
I don't buy everything I see on internet. Why are you lying? Stop doing that.
I'm not lying. Last week, you bought two blouses and a pair of shoes on internet.
So what? Everyone buys on internet. If you like something, you buy it.
Yeah, that would be normal if you bought just that, but the week before that, you bought more. This month you have bought glasses, jackets, blouses, shoes, and what about those boots? You bought them 2 years ago, but you never wore it. You only used them because I told you to. If I hadn't complained to you about those boots, you could never have worn them. And they were not cheap. They cost $1,000. It's $1,000, Samantha.
Come on, you're exaggerating. Yeah, it was $1,000, but I bought them on sale. I mean, I paid a lot less for them. They were double the price. Instead of paying $2,000, I just paid $1,000. That was amazing.
That's another problem. You have a serious problem with offers. You can't ignore them. Every time you see an offer, you want to buy it, even if you don't need that thing, Samantha. I mean, offers are good. I buy when there are good offers, but only things I really need. But you buy clothes and never use them. Don't you think you have a problem?
A problem? What do you mean? Don't exaggerate, please. You're overreacting.
Am I? I don't think so. I'm just telling you have a problem, and I think I am right, Samantha. You have a shopping addiction, and I don't just mean clothes, I mean everything. You buy clothes, furniture, ornaments, technological devices, and many other things. And it could be okay if we had enough money, but as I told you before, we are not millionaire. I think you are a shopaholic. You have a strong shopping addiction.
Are you serious? No, I don't think so. I can't believe you're saying that. Let's go. I need to buy a new cell phone. The one I have is very old.
Very old? You bought it last year. It works very well. Why would you change it?
Because I want the new model, the last cell phone. Everyone is buying that, and I want to have it.
Yeah, maybe you want it, but you can't buy it. You're spending too much money, baby. Please, I want you to understand. We need to seek help. Someone who can help us.
Help us. How? We don't have a problem. And about the money, relax. We have credit cards. We have great jobs. We make enough money to buy many things. We both work.
Yes, I know we have good jobs, but as I told you before, I would like to save money to buy a house. Samantha, look at me. We need to seek help from a professional. Please, honey. It's not the first time we talk about this problem. We have talked about it many times. I'm just trying to help you, to help our marriage. We can't keep like that. Please, Samantha.
No, you're exaggerating. I want to buy these things and I earn my money. I don't want to change.
I know you earn money too, but we are a team. We need to work for our goals, our own house.
I'm sorry, I want to buy many things. Now, are you going with me to that shop or not?
I see. No, Samantha. I told you to go home because I wanted to talk to you about something. I can't keep like this. I need someone who wants the same things I want. I'm sorry. This is it for me. I'm leaving you. I told you many times. I want the divorce. I'm tired. I love you so much, but it's enough. Take care.
Hey, wait! Are you serious? Honey, wait! I will buy just one more thing. I love you. Do I really have a problem? But it's my money. What do you think?
I hope you really liked this conversation. If you could improve your English and practice a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.